Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains very beautiful, wide and elegant design ideas of hand embroidery. All of the hand embroidery designs in our today's collection is a DIY collection of different type of dimensions that how you can use simple mini floral embroidery flower patterns for a number of things. That is, you can use for making hand embroidered buttons that could be used for embellishing onto your dresses, for handmade hand embroidered jewelry that could be used for pendants, for ear studs, for rings, for many more creativities. And the scope is not only limited to this, you can also make use of these very beautiful buttons of many hand embroideries to make use of designing and decorating your hair accessories. And the content and the context is not only limited to designing your hair accessories only. You can also make use of different type of DIY clips, different type of DIY hairpins, and apart from designing them onto the embroidery buttons, you can make use of them as embroidery brooch, as an embroidery safety pins for designing the complete look of to your abaya hijab look. And also you can make use of these very beautiful floral patterns of embroidery to DIY decor items to give to your loved ones. The most appropriate use for making them for ornaments or jewelry purposes to design your handmade pendants with the help of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Guys, I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and mesmerizingly, creatively beautiful ideas. These are three in one, that is, at the same time, for one hand embroidery designs or pattern or style you can make use of for making hair accessory for designing your dresses in the format of hand embroidered buttons that could be used onto your collar shirts, t-shirts, onto your front open kurtis or any different type of neckline that are designed along with the slit line pattern. And at the same time, you can use them for designing as your DIY decor items of handmade jewelry, ornaments like pendants, ear studs, rings, and even you can also make these beautiful patterns onto embellishing for an all over separate to your shirts, kurti, or also you can design these very beautiful patterns for your baby dresses, for your baby accessories. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you have liked the today's video contents. And if you are new, don't forget to enable the notifications of all upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.